No more rail is not welcome news for Victor Insulator. CEO Ira Knickerbocker says the company is over 100 years old and supplies products nationwide for the electric power industry.
Transformers and the high voltage circuit breakers that protect the circuits require insulators. The New York City MTA uses thousands of our porcelain insulators.
But removing rail would complicate operations, he says, and that's the plan town officials want to see through, according to Kathy Rayburn, Executive Director of Economic Development.
A new local road to alleviate some of the traffic congestion on 96 that we've heard about and dealt with for years and years.
She says removing the railroad was not part of the original plan. It was actually a decision made by the owners of the tracks themselves.
Didn't have enough business to make rail a viable option in Victor. Currently, there's no service. Finger Lakes Railroad has discontinued service.
The owners, Finger Lakes Railroad, requires around 200 loads of service per year to deem rail a viable business opportunity. But Victor Insulators makes about 8 loads per year, and moving forward, they'll be receiving those materials by truck.
It takes 3 times the labor to unload 4 truckloads at our factory than it would have if that one rail car load had been simply delivered by rail. There is a very real risk of contamination of a raw material, which would render it unusable.
Knickerbocker says right now he's worried about international competition. Lower cost imports have taken over the insulator market, with China being the largest supplier. He says most factories in North America are closing their doors. Rayburn sympathizes, but says the fate of the tracks now lies in the hands of Ontario County and Surface Transportation.